Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today I'll be talking about how to use the weight attribute in Android. Let's say we have a basic layout like this. What we actually want is to make the message text field stretch to take up any vertical space in the layout that's not being used by the other views. In order to do this, we need to allocate some weight to the message text field. Allocating weight to a view is a way of telling it to stretch to take up extra space in the layout. You assign weight to a view using Android layout weight is equal to number, where number is some number greater than 0. When you allocate weight to a view, the layout first of all makes sure that each view has enough space for its content. It makes sure that each button has space for its text, each editable text field has space for its hint, and so on. Once it's done that, the layout takes any extra space and divides it proportionally between the views with a weight of 1 or greater. We need the message editable text field to take up any extra space in the layout. To do this, we will set its layout weight attribute to 1. As this is the only view in the layout with a weight value, this will make the text field stretch vertically to fill the remainder of the screen. Here's the code. Giving up the message editable text field a weight of 1 means that it takes up all of the extra space that's not used by other views in the layout. This is because neither of the other two views have been allocated any weight in the layout XML. In this example, we only had one view with a weight attribute set, but what if we had more than one? Suppose we gave the to text field a weight of 1 and the message text field a weight of 2 like this. To figure out how much extra space each view takes up, start by adding together the layout weight attributes for each view. In our case, this is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The amount of extra space taken up by each view will be the view's weight divided by the total weight. The to view has a weight of 1, so this means it will take up 1/3 of the remaining space in the layout. The message view has a weight of 2, so it will take up 2/3 of the remaining space. That's it for this video. I'll be continuing more about the linear layout in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally, subscribe to my channel.